100% genuine wolf urine. Yes, I sprayed a little bit. The vet came over and lost her pants. What is going on, Cuffaros?
We're not Paul Cuffaro.
Yeah, but we got all his merch on today.
I guess it's okay then.
What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another episode. We got some crazy stuff going on today. Hope you're ready. On today's episode, we are going to be turning the llamas from this into this.
I don't do nothing I'm about. I'm counting all day like the clock on the wall.
If you're excited to see this beauty transformation, make sure you go down right now, not later, right now, and hit that like button. So after you like the video and then watch the whole thing, you should go down to the comments because there's legit a party in the comments. That's where we get more connected and we answer every comment, read every comment. We try to talk to you guys. I want to know where you're from, and if you got any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. We're not afraid to answer anything. Hey, Bill. Oh, yeah, you gonna jump at it? Oh, jeez. Dude is getting vicious. Very, very soon, I want to start feeding him like frozen actual mice, not pinkies, because he's up to maybe 3 pinkies a week already. I want to get him big, bro. I want him big like Anthony.
So many battlefield scars while driven in plus cars. It's like it's a rap star. It's nothing without God.
Yo, this video isn't sponsored, but shout out to the pmart.com. So these guys, they saw the video, this one, where Jax got destroyed by the coyote. And they were like, yo, Veezy fam, we got something for you. So they sent us a bunch of bottles of this. I don't know if you can see. 100% genuine wolf urine. A wolf pees and they catch it with this bottle. They're like, no, pee here, pee here, pee here, pee here. And then they ship it to us. So what we're gonna do with this today, this stuff smells really, really bad and it stains your body and it never comes off. So we got these containers, right? They're empty. We cut holes in them. See the holes, guys? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this wolf urine. Smell it.
Oh my gosh.
Smell it. Oh. Bro. Oh God. Yeah. I can't do it. No. Close it. Strange smells like nasty smells like that really messed me up. That is the worst smell. Dude, that wolf, look at the color of it. I'm telling you, this wolf in particular needs to drink more water. Look at how dehydrated he is. You want your pee to be crystal clear? Drink more water. All right, I'm good right now. The reason you do it like this is so if it rains, it doesn't go away. So we're gonna put this, Anthony, I want you to place this in the corner with this rock on top, my guy. Yeah. All right, so you guys see where that is in the corner. The reason why we put it in that corner first is because what I've learned doing research on this area, the coyotes and stuff come from down here. They come down the canal and they walk up alongside the backs of these houses. And what they do is they sit on these fence lines and literally watch for days and days and months before they get the perfect strike. We're actually gonna hang a few up in these trees over here too.
Like that?
Yeah, we'll do like 2 more over there. So it hangs there and it gives off a scent that I guess coyotes can smell from like miles away. So it gives off a scent, but the problem with doing it this way is when it rains, it kind of washes away. That's why we did the bucket method. We're on this side of the duck enclosure now. This is where I want the next one to be. Yes. And then I want you to put this on top of it. And hopefully that's enough. Jayla, do not spray Anthony with this.
I'll spray.
Anthony, do not spray Jayla with this. I'm literally not breathing right now.
Oh! I got it on my foot! Oh, I felt that one!
Yes, I sprayed a little bit out. So you want to hit the bottom of the fence lines and all around the bottom of the fence. So by putting it on the wood, it soaks into the wood.
I'll do that one.
All right, go ahead, buddy. And it stays there for longer.
You should give this to Mama Veezy as a present, like a perfume present.
Can you imagine if Mama Veezy put this on thinking it was her new perfume? Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
I would be sleeping outside. I'd be sleeping in here. Shout out to the pmart.com. I don't even have a link. Just go to their website because again, this isn't a sponsored video. They didn't want nothing. They just said, hey, take this, protect your farm. That's why I think they're really good people. So from here on out, I think they got a whole bunch of cool stuff there. Anytime we do anything that we need to like protect from anything, we're gonna hit them up because those guys are awesome. So thepmart.com. So they say you're supposed to like cut your llama once, I don't know, a year. We've had her for maybe a year and she's maybe a year and a half old now. I don't know. She's due for a cut. So the lady's coming now. We're gonna get her shaved, but here's the problem, guys. That one. We're gonna try to shave her today too. And I don't know if you guys remember from one of our first videos. Actually, I'll show a little clip what happened when the vet came over and lost her pants.
I'm scared.
What are you scared of, bro?
What the llama goes like this?
Ow. The shearers said we're gonna start with the big one. I'm so afraid. Oh geez, this is gonna be hard. So we're gonna get her over there, we're gonna trap her in the house, and we're gonna tackle her down. So let's get it.
Oh no.
Alyssa, close that gate and lock it. Good job, by the way. That was way better than expected.
How
you looking?
Makeshift and a halter. I'm gonna take her out.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay. Back up, right? Everybody back up. That line. I'm back here if you guys
She
Alright, so
Wait, did you get your pants ripped too?
I don't know. Oh, I did, see? Yes! Number 2.
2 for 2. Guys, so the video we showed you before, where the vet got her pants ripped.
We got a matching set now.
Oh, you got a little scrape too.
It's just a safe area because there's not really another safe spot I could put her like that.
I don't know if you guys caught that, I just got spit on. It smells like a skunk, like, oh. Bro, I just got spit on by my llama. This is not good, guys. Bro, I've been spit on 10 times by a llama. This is llama spit. This, all llama spit. What Rihanna got that we posted on Instagram 6 months ago, that wasn't real llama spit. So, you guys remember when we first got it and we had a bet who gets spit on first? So we have a bet going that Anthony's gonna get spit on first, but if Mama Veezy gets spit on first, oh my God, that would just make my day. I guess it was me.
Come on. Come on.
Yo, she looks so much skinnier, but look at my leg, guys. All right, that's stomach acid and llama spit. This is the worst. This video is disgusting. Ew. But we're gonna go get the baby now, who hopefully is a lot easier. I guess Anthony's gonna go get the baby.
Look at this dude.
What the heck is wrong with that guy?
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
This one, I think what we're gonna do to make it easier, we're just gonna put the halter on her, tie her to the post. So the girls, they always go on top of the shipping container and then they jump off the shipping container onto the trampoline. They do flips and they do, I don't know, girl things. Anyway, Anthony just went up there. He doesn't know how to jump off of there and he's too scared to. So he usually climbs the ladder to get up there and then he climbs the ladder to get down. Epic prank time? I believe so. Come on. Hey buddy, what are you doing up there? Hey. Hey.
Wait, no!
Have fun, homie!
Mommy! Mom!
She ain't coming, bro. I sent her to the store to get muffins because I wanted muffins for breakfast today. The only way you're gonna get down, broski, is if you jump off of that onto here. That's the only way. The girls do it. I'm tired of you being afraid to do it. Do it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, yeah! Nice. Now you're not afraid no more. Guys, if you ever have like a fear of heights or something, the best way to get over it is just do it. Because if you're sitting up there and you're thinking about it, your head talks to you and your brain messes with you, and then you get scared, you just got to do it. So we've decided to make the llama look like Brenton and Paul Cuffaro. So we're gonna leave a little mullet right here. Cause, you know, it's the Veezy fam, we gotta stay in style.
Alyssa?
I bet you she feels so much better with all that hair.
They do. Like I got tortured, now I need some loving.
There you go.
Oh, so
There you
good.
go.
Feel it.
There you
It's
go.
down in Florida.
There you go. Look at this. Yo, that neck is so skinny with that hairstyle, so dope. Little llama Cincinnati with the mullet is done. Hey, are you guys next? If you want to come over here, you're getting cut too.
I dig your hair, bruh.
Let's go find your mom so you can be happy. No, that's embarrassing. You just fell in llama poop.
At least I'm not smelling llama poop.
I do. Yeah, I have llama spit, puke all over me. So yeah, these are gonna go in the garbage. Those are $12 socks too. I know a few videos back when we got all the goldfish from Petco, I said, get this video to 1,000 likes and we're gonna do a big beta video for Mama Veezy. But we kind of got caught up with Paul and we did this and the fish and then the llama lady. And so here's what's gonna happen. Next video, 100%, unless something crazy pops off, we're gonna do that beta video. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, put your post notifications on because that one's gonna be pretty awesome. And I know you guys like beta fish.
What are you doing? Ooh, shovel.
Is it working, guys?
Dad, how much food do you buy from these animals every month?
How much food do I buy?
Yeah.
How about this? Why don't we just take these guys to the store with us and they can see what we get every 2 weeks.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna go into Red Barn and show you guys the little trip that we do every 2 weeks to get these animals fed and hay and stuff like that and show you guys how expensive these animals are. All right, so I need 6 bags of all stock, 4 TNA hays, 2 Missouri waterfowl, 1 whole corn, 1 Purina organic layers, a drink and an ice cream for the guys out back.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Gotta take care of them.
$315.96, please.
You going in half with me, right?
Pump it up, you came to get it drunk with a dame or shit it drunk, you came to get it on. More than 5.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
Ready? Most satisfying thing ever. Ah. So we do a half a bag of all stock. I put a little bit of this in there. Oh, that looks good. Ew. More corn. You guys know how heavy these bags are? This bale goes in their house.
As big as Alyssa.
Heavy. And
Be
then,
careful, because there's rats in there.
no! It goes in that corner. This one goes here. And then, you make it snow in Florida. Oh. Never roll with scissors, kids.
Thank you so much for watching. 1,000 likes. I'll eat one of these pigs. I'll see y'all. Tired. Peace.